So how to create perfect OnlyFans content using AI. Now, whether you are an OnlyFans model yourself, or you run an OFM agency working with models, or you're just looking to create fully AI generated models and make money from that, this AI tutorial will help you to enhance your content. Now, when we say perfect content, do we mean that the image is absolutely perfect, you're going to get loads of subs instantly? No, of course not. What we mean by perfect is the ability to be in any location with a very high camera quality, any position, and wearing whatever clothing you desire, as well as other features as well. This is, of course, any OnlyFans model, OnlyFans manager, or any AI OnlyFans manager's dream, of course. This gives us absolute freedom with content and allows us to distribute as we please, whether that's customs or whether it's just normal social posts or just posts for our OnlyFans or fan view feed.
So what we need to ask ourselves is, what does the customer want? And how are we going to bring in new customers? Is it the realism of the images, or is it the quality of the image? Most of the time, higher quality images are going to win. The way we can tell this is true is because if we look at any AI model or any cartoon or anything like this, as long as it's high quality, it's normally bringing in a large audience. Films that aren't real, people know they're not real, or video game characters, people know they're not real, but it still brings in a large audience because of the quality of that character in that film. So if you are a model already and you want to make hybrid models, or if you're looking to make fully AI generated images, you need to learn how to be able to generate a model anywhere in the world like that. And then obviously you'll be able to market them on later steps. So we're going to show you how to do that now. If you have watched any video on OFMKyle's channel, you know what Genfluence is. It was previously named AnyDreams, and it's a platform that's going to be able to allow you to generate AI models. Now, I'm not going to do a full tutorial on this because we've already done that once on our platform, so go check out this video here. But what I am going to be talking about is face swapping. If you are a hybrid model, you can still use platforms such as these. So there's a seed which is orientated to the AI model that's going to be generated. So this is normally the body and a consistent theme of, let's say, hair color or body shape and structure. However, it's not very specific to the face. What normally tailors the face and makes you consistently create the same model is this character button up here. So how are you going to be able to make content if you're already a model who's taken images and wants to use their face? Well, the character is the button to go to. What you do is click up here, create your own character. I've got lots over here on the right that I'm going to blur out, but you drag and click a picture of your face here, put your name, age, etc. with a description, and that's how you save the character. Nice and easy. Then you go over to create and you start this process again. Select epic, select your character or yourself which you have put in, fill in all the prompts, make sure the negative prompts are correct, and generate an image. Once you've got the seed as well, you'll obviously be able to apply that. This is how you're going to be able to turn yourself into an AI model, but it goes further. If you want higher quality hybrid models, you can click on this image button and you can put an image down the bottom here which you have previously taken of yourself, and you may want to convert over to an AI model by just changing the face. So you can put the image of yourself, you can go up here, select a character of an AI face, and then be able to swap that across nice and easily. So the process I've just shown you there is turning yourself, a real model, into an AI character. So you can generate unlimited AI images of yourself. And I've also shown you how to use your own content to then change that face to an AI character, so you can have potentially 2, 3 or 4 AI characters all from one image, which is obviously very helpful. But there's some more steps to come. I'm going to show you what you can do after creating this AI image. So you can get logos, enhance the images, and make them look 10 times better than what they are when they come out of this software. So for example, we're going to take this AI model here. I'm going to then increase the quality of the image in 2 or 3 different ways. And then I'm also going to edit a logo onto the outfit. And they normally require a small amount of editing. This can be done on FaceApp, Facetune, Photoshop, any kind of platform that allows you to manipulate the face, hair, clothes, etc. So firstly, we're going to be able to upscale this image and create an image that looks like this. We're then going to edit it just to tidy a few things up, and this is kind of what it comes out as. It's quite airbrushed image and it doesn't look that realistic, but it does look a lot higher quality in comparison to the one that came out the generator. Here's another image that hasn't been upscaled but has been edited. As you can see, it's slightly more realistic, however the quality is still kind of low, which is pros and cons you get between upscaling and not upscaling. But I prefer this one, so I'm going to use this image to then add a logo onto it. This logo is then being cropped onto the model's t-shirt as if she's using it or wearing it for merch. As it blends in with the contours, it does look very realistic in comparison to other edits. This is the power of editing. So I hope them lovely demonstrations have helped you a lot when it comes to working out how to make AI models. Whether you're making a full AI model, AI body and face, or if you're a pilot model or pre-existing OnlyFans model, which is looking to either change their face onto their own body or change their body and put their face onto it. There's a few combinations that you can go down.
So whether you are looking to become a hybrid model or manage a hybrid model, or you're just looking to manage a fully AI generated creator, this is something that we teach highly in depth in our mentorship and our course that you will find in the description. As well as this, of course, you do have a very, very large community that comes with the course itself, so that you can have networking, find out the newest technologies and strategies, etc. This is what a network will bring you, and this is what we provide in the course below.